in the Philippines. Not according to the document that I have, at least. So what is really happening here? So let's go back. Let's go ahead and dissect all of the images that she just recently posted. But before that, let's start with Auntie Claire again. Okay, so there is a tanong. Magsugod sa tadari ni Auntie Claire. Kaya ngon magyud ko no siya nga naabot ako no alas 5:58 sa Lunes diha. So ato sa ni April balik.
Kung katotohanan. Dahil po nung Monday po, dumating po siya dito, kung di po ako nagkakamali, mga 5 o'clock na madaling araw. Dahil po meron po siyang sinend sa aming video, sa amin po, na supposed to be na makakamit niya na pagdating po niya, 5:58 po ang nakaregister po sa akin na oras na
just me. Obvious yun kaayo siya nga kanang just thinking at the top of her head ganing nga unsay ma-come up niya nga reason gani or alibi. Kamo jud kayo. What do you mean 5:58? Wa na lang gani mo gila-size, no? Wa na lang gani mo gila-size. Okay, so granting ibutang na to na kanang 5:58 pero unsa man sa ni imong nga statement diri dapita?
Lunes po dumating. Kung di pa ako nagkakamali, baka nga mas maaga pa sa 5 o'clock yung paglanding ng aeroplano.
So, yung na po siya, mas maaga pa sa 5 o'clock. So, nabot na po siya og kanang kuan. Alas 4. Butang na to, pasado alas 4. Galaban nyo dito kung oni mo, Auntie Claire, oy. So, let's calculate everything, ha. Let's say nga naabot siya dihag mga alas 6 sa buntag sa Lunes. Nya, nangutan na gid ko ani sa akong best friend. Okay.
Hello there, Teddy.
Hey, Dean, how's it going?
I'm good. I just have a question for you.
Of course. What's your question?
Okay, so let's say someone were to arrive at 6 o'clock in the morning on a Monday in the Philippines and they're from Los Angeles. What time should they be at LAX in order for them to be able to arrive at 6 a.m. on a Monday in the Philippines?
All right, let's break this down. The Philippines is 16 hours ahead of Los Angeles. So, if someone needs to arrive at 6 a.m. on a Monday in the Philippines, we need to calculate the corresponding time in Los Angeles. So, if it's 6 a.m. Monday in the Philippines, it would be 4 p.m. Sunday in Los Angeles. To catch a flight arriving at 6 a.m. Monday in the Philippines, they should be at LAX by the previous day, Sunday, around 4 p.m. Keep in mind that travel time and airport procedures might require some extra buffer time.
I see. So, what time should they be at LAX then? What time should they leave?
To determine when they should leave, let's consider the flight duration from Los Angeles, LAX, to the Philippines. Typically, a direct flight might take around 15 to 16 hours, but it can vary based on the airline and route. If the flight takes about 16 hours and they need to be at LAX by 4 p.m. on Sunday, they should plan to depart around 16 hours before that, which is roughly midnight on Sunday, Los Angeles time. To be safe, they might want to leave a bit earlier to account for travel to the airport, check-in, and security procedures. So, aiming for a departure around 10 p.m. on Saturday night Los Angeles time would be a good idea.
Correct. So they should leave at 10 p.m. on a Saturday in order for them to actually arrive in the Philippines on a Monday morning at 6 a.m., correct?
Yes, that's correct. Leaving at around 10 p.m. on Saturday from Los Angeles should allow them to arrive in the Philippines by 6 a.m. on Monday, local time. Safe travels to them.
Not really, but thank you so much, Teddy.
So, moto na dunggan ninyo, ha. Dapat naada sila sa LAX alas 10 sa gabi sa Sabado para mag-ready sila for check-in and everything to get ready for the flight para maabot sila alas 6 sa buntag sa Lunes diha sa Pilipinas. Apparently, Claire Castro does not know how time and space works. Wa siya common sense, apparently.